amazing. Today on the 24th of July 2023, here's Luoteisväylä, Nordostpassagen, 32 stegs A, and we should get to the stegs B here as well.
Yeah.
It's here in Lauttasaari Lauttasaari Helsinki is Uusimaa and Finland, close to the Koivusaari metro station. Built in 1961 by Kone with FA6 fishes and still gated one. Turned 60 years old in 2021, finished in 1962, and zero is age 9893. And yeah, so let's get to right here.
Yeah.
It will be inspected in 2025. And this has the rare Henke also.
Yeah.
That's these three versions of the others. It was absolutely impossible to get inside.
Yeah. Niin dit bare liftinstået med den på hissi.
I love the smelling here.
Same.
Now here on Lauttasaari room, so there should be a maximum of 8 important elevators that to be
Yeah.
And they are just 6 from 1987 and 91. And then there's the other one, it is the B here, and then one from 1965.